on. I knew it would be good. At first she looked like an old pro, and I thought, oh, she's good at this. Are you okay? Oh shit! I think I'm rich! Third time's a charm! One more time. And if you don't make it, I'll help you. Did you hit your head? But now you're on the wrong side. You don't have a pillow. Oh my God, Kathy, I got it all on tape.
Did you?
I got my $1 million video.
Oh my God, that is hysterical. Prayer.
Oh my God, you have to watch it. I don't know if I want to.
Stay there, relax.
How, you could hear me through the window?